Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. What a day. And if you've seen the shorts, it's been a pretty cool day. Finally getting to see this thing come to life a little bit. Let me show you what I did and what Ron's been working on, and we'll kind of go through that, and then I'll show you it turn over and the lights turn on and all that kind of stuff. So give me a second here. Alright, so let's start with what Ron's been doing. Ron's been working on the front fenders. He did the, what do you call it, metal prep. We've got a new headlight bucket sitting in there. It's gonna get put in tomorrow. This is the worst fender. It's not that bad. Dad did some, or Big Ron did some hammer and dialing on it. Tomorrow he's going to fix this rust right there that's missing. We actually have that piece on our fenders, so he's going to do that, cut that off and weld that on. That fender right there is in great shape and it's ready for primer. So we have one fender, so that's good. We got a driver's side fender that's pretty much ready to rock. What else has changed? Let's see here. Really, Ron spent most of his day on the fenders. I spent my entire day. I have got to fix that. Damn door squeaks a little bit right there. Let me get in here with you. Okay. Wiring. So we are pretty much wired. The emergency flasher relay is in. The headlight dimmer switch is in. Dimmer switch relay or whatever it is. I'm over here. I still got to hook up that emergency hazard. I haven't done that yet. But here's all the wires for it. I got the wires over here for the rear speakers. Speakers came in today. I'll show you those in a minute. These are all the wires for the speedometer whenever it gets here. So yeah, kind of cool. Right now I have the battery hooked up, which is exciting. Nothing's on fire, and nothing's getting hot and doing all the, fire test things. So this is kind of what I've been doing. You can see I've taped and loomed and kind of organize things into harnesses that go specifically to certain places, and so it's not just a big rat's nest back here. But that's what I've been doing. Let me set you guys up on a tripod here. Hold on, I'm stuck. It's not easy to get out of these things when they're 10 feet in the air. Alright, let's see if we can't get a good angle here, guys. I want you to see the lights. I want you to see the light. Okay. You all ready? So, headlight switch is wired up. We should have tail lights. Yes, we do. You guys can see that? Yes, you can. We also have deck lid light, which is exciting. Let me do something here for you. Should have reverse lights there, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, reverse lights, brake light. Well, we don't have brake lights yet. Reverse lights, tail lights, deck lid lights. We got all the things, and we have this, which is even more exciting than anything else in the world. So we've got keyed ignition. I think I've got one wire that's just a little loose in the plug. I gotta fix that. But, guys, look at that. Holy shit. Look what we did. Very exciting. So, my plan is this, okay? Turn those off. Plan is tomorrow I'm going to do a couple of very specific things. My clutch pedal's a little weak, so I'm going to adjust the clutch cable, which is right up there. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. Should be pretty quick. Then I'm going to put the rear wheels back on the car. Okay, rear wheels and tires go back on. Then we're going to drill a hole right about there, and we're going to mount the speedometer cable, run it up and run it out and out the dealio here. So get that done. Then I'm going to put the front wheels back on it. Then I'm going to adjust the steering rods, okay? And at that point, once we're dialed in there, which I think we're close actually, that should give me, I have ignition, I have throttle cable hooked up and throttle pedal hooked up. We have good brakes with good pedal. Clutch pedal should be good at that point. We have gears, we know that. We have emergency brake. We have steering. We're pretty damn close to driving this around the neighborhood. So, what I think I'm going to do after that is go ahead and install the gas tank and try to see if I can't get this thing to start and run off the key and do all the normal car-ish things that a car's supposed to do. And if that happens, we're going to take it around the block. And I'm going to bring you along for the ride. And we're going to go figure out what it's like to drive this thing. And then, from there, hey Big Round. Then from there, we'll start fine-tuning and finding any of the little things and quirks and whatever and doodads with this car, and we're going to get them fixed, if there are any. The other thing, and we're going to have a video out tonight. I'm going to unhook the battery here. I don't want to even take a chance on having that problem. So then what we're going to do is, and in the middle of doing all these things I'm telling you about, I'm going to hook up the radio and the speakers, get all that hooked up. Now, for those of you, I did a video on this, and it'll be out. It's on the whole audio system of the car and why I chose what I chose, and it might help some of you if you're looking to do a pretty cool stereo system here. Let me turn some lights on. So, this is what the radio looks like in the glove box store. Pretty cool, right? Not bad. And then, obviously, you got the screen that mounts to the front of this. Now, that's the Boss Elite. For those of you wondering at home, that is it. I spent, I believe, $305 on this radio. And then I've got 2 pairs, so a total of 4, of the Memphis 6.5. They're the PRX S60s, 6.5 inch shallow coaxial speaker. They're the Power Reference Series, 40 RMS, peak power is 80 watts. Now, what makes these great, because you guys know I have the speaker panels, right? So I need a grill, which they came with, which was great. The other part of this, check this out. Let's see if I can't just set this. That is the width. I believe it's 1.98 inches. It is perfect. As far as I can tell, I've had it in the car. It is perfect to fit in those back cubbies, back behind the back seats. So hopefully, God willing, this will be a pretty good little sound system. I don't have an amp. If I need one, I'll get one, but for now the plan is just to this is a wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's why it wasn't, you know, $1,000. So right next to this on the divider panel in the glove box, I'm going to drill 2 holes and run the wire through so that you can just put your phone into the glove box and boom, you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Everything's going to pop up on your screen anyway, so it really don't need the phone. So you'll be able to answer your phone to all things. So that's what we're doing with this. I did look at a Pioneer, I believe it was, at Best Buy. Same deal, 9-inch screen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It was wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but they wanted $799. I got this off of Amazon for $305. It's got great reviews. You know, Crutchfield and all those guys have been giving it good reviews and whatnot, so why not, right? It does what we want it to do. Now, it does have a cool feature, and I go through all this in the other video, but it's got the volume knob, okay? I wanted an actual volume knob. I didn't want to have to sit here and touch the screen all the time. And these icons change colors, I believe. You might be able to see it here. Red, yellow, green, and blue. What they do. So it changes colors, which is kind of fun. Gives you some customization there. So anyway, guys, that is where we're at. And just to give you an overview of the radio. And hopefully tomorrow we'll get that in. And tomorrow, the next day, we got a lot going on. But you know, I was really worried about the front fenders, but honestly, they're not that bad. So I'm not that worried about the front fenders. I don't think we'll have any issue there, or the top, the hard top. Now we still got to mount the straps, do all of that. Get the glass guy over here and get the glass put in it. He's had it for a week now, I think, the glass, a little over a week, the side glass. So that's what's going on, guys. Lots of things happening. We still got duck boards coming. We still, mahogany duck boards at that. We still got a speedometer coming. We still got some little things. I just asked Mike about the windows that go here. I've got the 3 you see over there. They're a little worse for wear than I thought they were. I bought them for like 50 bucks from the guy that sold me the gas heater. But they're like, this one doesn't even have a window. So need to do something there. But see if Mike doesn't have a good set, and or Thing Shop or somebody that I can pick up and get this thing done, so I can at least, if it rains, I can seal it up a little bit, so it's not a big boat, you know. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe to the channel and to the videos. Check out our shorts. Typically, I'm trying to do 2 or 3 shorts a day, just to show you kind of the big hitters. And I've changed up our format here, where I'm not doing a morning, middle, and end video. I'm just kind of doing an end overview at the moment, and unboxings and that kind of thing. Unless it's something special, you know, priming, painting, you know, something to that effect. And a lot of this, and don't take this the wrong way, but I just got to get this thing done, and I don't have that much time to film during the day while it's going on. So I'm doing my best. If there's anything you guys do want to see filmed, hit me up and let me know, and I will do my best. But I think by the end of the weekend, we're going to be driving this around the neighborhood. So that's pretty exciting, actually. So anyway, guys, have a great night, and thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. And I'll leave you with a shot of the steering wheel here. See you guys.